welcome back to my channel. I'm Maude. Today's video is going to be a wash my natural hair routine. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just putting my hair in four. Before I do that, just spray some water so it could just be easier for me to kind of like lightly detangle it and stuff, and just put it in a big twist and just tuck it in. So I just moved in a new house, so I'm just starting to kind of like getting comfortable of how I wash my hair. I'm so used to wash my hair in a sink, but this time I was trying to wash my hair in a bathroom. You guys will see what happened. All right guys, so I'm going to prepare my dip conditioner, like my protein treatment and stuff. Then after, I'm just gonna come back and show you guys what I usually do to like wash my hair and stuff. So what I'm going to use is this one. This is what I've been using lately. I switch around when it comes to shampoo and stuff. I don't really use shampoo. The only thing I usually use, if I'm not using like this type of shampoo, I'm usually use a bar soap. If you check 22nd Century is a YouTuber who has a company and stuff, and she sells bar soap for natural hair. They're organic. They you know, I've been using it for a while and it works and stuff, but the only thing is just it can be expensive, and by the time like she shipped it, it takes like forever, so you just have to stock up. But they're really good. So but in the meantime, I usually just use the Shea Moisture. I feel like Shea Moisture is kind of like the go-to. This is what I'm using right now. Is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil by Shea Moisture. I like it and stuff. I only use it once and it feels nice. So I'm gonna keep using it. This is why it still look full. I use other Shea Moisture products and stuff. The Manuka line, I've been using that for a while. So I just wanted to switch it over to this one just because Jamaican Black Castor Oil, it's really good for hair growth. So yeah, and I'm gonna do the Jamaican Black Castor mask. I don't have a leave-in conditioner. I feel like I should get a leave-in conditioner to whatever, but I do have, I think, the melanin leave-in conditioner, so I'll just use that. If not, it's whatever. But I am gonna make my own protein treatments and stuff. I wish they could sell more protein treatments, but whatever. I'm just gonna make my own with eggs and mayo, so because my hair do need some protein. And then that's it. So stay tuned. Bye. Yeah, so guys, right now I'm in the bathroom right now. My hair is all shrank and stuff. This is what I'm gonna be using. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is using the shampoo to kind of focus on my scalp. I just really want to like my scalp to be really clean. So I'm just gonna go through each section, just put the shampoo and stuff, and kind of like massage the shampoo in my hair. Then after I didn't really section my hair this time, just because I am doing it in the bathroom. Usually if I'm doing it in the sink, it's easier to section my hair, but because I am doing it in the bathroom, I will be standing up a lot. It is annoying to just like section it and stuff, because I'll be standing more, and my neck and my feet and just my body just will be killing me. So that's why I did it like that. So I just like, you know, scrub. When I say scrub, be gentle, because this is your natural hair and stuff. You know, just like making sure you wash your hair and your scalp really good and stuff. And then I found out doing this process, like literally, like my body was killing me. So I'll probably go back with like washing my hair in the sink and stuff. I just use a t-shirt. I don't use towel and stuff. I just use a t-shirt because t-shirt will dry my hair without like stripping all the moisture. And this is like 100% cotton shirt. So yeah. Ta-da! Oh my god. Ta-da! I am done at least washing my hair. So I'm going to put the my little treatment. I feel like garlic. My little treatment right here. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm looking a little crazy, but whatever. I am about to put my mask on so I can rinse it up. Yeah, I'm gonna I already wash my hair, put treatment in it, and now I'm just gonna put my mask. This is the mask I'm going to be using. It's the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Mask. I use it a couple times. I use a lot of Shea Moisture masks before, so let's just get started because yeah. So with this process, this is a mask. I finished use my protein treatment mask. Now I'm doing like a deep, I guess, moisture mask. This mask is supposed to help me with moisture. So basically what I do is just put it, it's kind of like you putting perms in you kind of like separate each section and you just apply it. Then I put it in twists, and I just move on to the next section. This mask is, for me, I feel like it's really hydrating, especially I'm a person who use weave or braids, has a protective hairstyle, so it's really nice to kind of have like a deep moisture treatment. Guys, I'm so tired. I just want to sleep. You see, my eyes are so red. I'm so tired. And before I go to sleep, I have to take this off. I'm too tired though. Yeah, I'm probably gonna leave it for 30 minutes if I wasn't tired. Hi guys, this is the next day. I just finished blow drying my hair. I've been blow drying my hair for a while now, so yeah, I feel like I should cut the ends. I think I'm just gonna cut the ends. Let me just anyway guys, this is my wash routine. That's all I do. Oh, this is what I use to blow dry my hair. I use this to kind of moisturize my hair. The thing about this, it does have a mint smell, and the mint smell is a little bit strong, and sometimes it's like after 2 days you still could smell it. So if you're not into like peppermint minty smell, you probably won't like this one. It is moisturizing. It's okay. I like the other one better, to be honest. But anyway, I use this, and I also use the melanin oil. You see, it's almost done. This is very moisturizing. I like the scent. I like how light it is. This is actually really perfect. Ooh. This is really perfect. Then also I use the Tresemme. That's the heat protector spray. It's a heat protector for up to like 450. So I think it's really good. Protect your hair if you're gonna blow dry your hair. And I just use just a spray bottle. This one, it has aloe vera juice just to moisturize my hair, because my hair, one thing I said I need to do in 2020 is moisturize my hair more. But yeah, so stay tuned for the next videos, okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. Make sure you subscribe. So yeah, and so on. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Maude. I am very active on Instagram. I'm always putting things in like stories and stuff, like, you know, so just follow me on my social media. Oh, and also I just started joining TikTok, so it's at Maude. So follow me on TikTok. Best believe I'll be posting video. Okay, bye.